Open your CapCut. While you are on CapCut, click on New Project. Now select the video you want. This is the video I want to edit now. Click on Add. Now this is the video I want to edit. I'm acting now. This is how the video is, the first clip, and then you now cut it to where you want to cut. Split it here. Let me split at this point. Now click on the layer, split there, and then drag it to this point. Act as though your hands are pointing downward. That's going to form your leg. Click on this point and delete this unnecessary part. Now this is how you are going to do it. Yeah, let's cut it, this part also away, split and delete. Now come back to this first layer. Click on the first layer, come to overlay. Look for overlay. Look at it here. Click on overlay, and this will automatically go down. So what you are going to do now is come to mask. Come to mask. Click on mask. Come to horizontal. Then bring it down. Then bring it down. And then play with the filter. Then go mark it good. So that's it. So you can now export this video. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please, if you want me to keep doing these videos like this and any other video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one.